Hello viewers, this is Umaran Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be explaining one important concept, adverb, a part of speech. We know there are different kinds of adverbs, but today's concept is concept of MPT. M means adverb of manner, P means adverb of place, and T means adverb of time. How to use these kinds of adverbs in a sentence in its proper order? Watch till the end of the video to get the concept better. Adverb. We know there are different kinds of adverbs. Out of those, today I will be explaining three kinds of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. That is the concept MPT. That means adverb of MPT. Okay. Along with these kinds of adverbs, I will explain adverb of frequency. So, to get the adverb from a sentence, we have to ask question using different kinds of WH words. What are the WH words you use to get these kinds of adverbs? If you watch this video, so that it will be very convenient, very easy for you to understand. Adverbs. We know adverb is a part of a speech. There are different kinds of adverbs. Out of those, I am going to express or explain three adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Okay. Adverb is a part of a speech. What is an adverb? Adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, and also one adverb itself. Here I have represented some sentences. Okay, to find out adverbs and how adverbs describe verb, adjective, or adverb. Understand? To get one adverb, we should ask question to the verb with WH words. Which words? WH words. Okay, to determine one adverb. The aeroplane is flying swiftly. Here flying is the verb. How flying? Swiftly. The aeroplane is flying how? Swiftly. Answer comes swiftly. So, swiftly is the adverb, describes one verb. His behavior is too good. Okay. His behavior good. Good is one adjective. How much good? Too good. That means one adverb describes one adjective. She has painted the board very beautifully. Okay. How she painted the board? How she has painted the board? Very beautifully. Beautifully one adverb. How much beautifully? Very beautifully. Okay. So, very is one adverb. That means one adverb describes another adverb. He should go there tomorrow morning. He should go where? There. When? Tomorrow morning. From those sentences, what you could understand? We understand that one adverb describes a verb, an adjective, and also an adverb. Then at first I am going to explain adverb of manner. He danced beautifully. The girl is speaking English smartly. Here we know that from the words we can identify adverbs, but how we can know that this is what kind of adverb? He danced beautifully. Okay. How he danced? Beautifully is the answer. So, when you ask question to the verb with WH word how, the answer comes, that is one, that adverb is one adverb of manner. How he danced? Beautifully. So, beautifully is adverb of manner. The girl is speaking English smartly. How the girl is speaking English? Smartly. Smartly is one adverb of manner. My mother cooks her food quickly. How my mother cooks her food? Quickly. Quickly is answer and it is adverb of manner. They are running slowly. How are they running? Slowly. Slowly is the answer. When you ask question to the WH word, to the verb with WH word, how? The answer comes, that is one adverb of manner. The work is going on systematically. how the work is going on systematically. So, beautifully, smartly, quickly, slowly, systematically, all are adverb of manner. Understand? To find out one adverb of manner, we should ask question to the verb with a WH word how. And what is the position of the adverb of manner in a sentence? Its position just after a verb or just after one object of the sentence. Okay. Then adverbs of place. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Okay. What kind of adverb here? Place. Place means we should ask question to the verb with a WH word where. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Where are all the bedrooms? Upstairs. So, upstairs is one adverb of place. I met him there. I met him where? There. There is one adverb of place. One of my uncles has settled abroad. One of my uncles has settled where? Abroad. So, it is one adverb of place. Come in. Come where? In. So, in is one adverb of place. The little lamb followed Mary everywhere. The little lamb followed Mary where? Everywhere. Understand? So, upstairs, there, abroad, in, everywhere, all are adverb of place, and its position is at the end of the sentence, just after verb or just after the object of the sentence, as per adverb of manner. Understand? Adverbs of time. Okay. She joined her job yesterday. To get adverbs of time, we should ask question to the verb with WH word when. She joined her job yesterday. When she joined her job? Yesterday. So, yesterday is the adverb of time. He arrived late. When he arrived? Late. I met him at 6 o'clock in the evening. When I met him? At 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay. I will go to school tomorrow. Go when? Tomorrow. Tomorrow is one adverb of time. Then adverbs of frequency. In this concept, MPT, I have also explained adverbs of frequency, because most often in the sentences with adverb of MPT, adverb of frequency comes. She often commits mistakes. Okay. So, how often? To the verb we should ask question with a how often. What answer comes? That is one adverb of frequency. She often commits mistakes. How often she commits mistakes? Answer is often. So, often is a adverb of frequency. He seldom comes here. How often she comes here? He comes here? Seldom. Seldom is adverb of frequency. He frequently comes unprepared. How often he comes unprepared? Frequently. Frequently is a adverb of frequency. I always try to do my best. How often I try to do my best? Always. Always is a adverb of frequency. You are often changing your profile. How often you are changing your profile? Often is the answer. Okay. They rarely go for an outing. How often they go for an outing? Rarely. So, often, seldom, frequently, always, rarely, all are adverbs of frequency. We get from these sentences what? Adverb of frequency are used in simple present sentences. Most often used in simple present sentences because it shows the repeated action. She often commits mistakes. Here it shows the repeated action, and that adverb of frequency is used in between subject and verb. In simple present sentence there is only one verb, that means before the verb adverb of frequency comes. She often commits mistakes. Commits is the verb and before the verb often is used, adverb of frequency is used. I mean between subject and verb, adverb of frequency comes. Second sentence, he seldom comes here. The same thing seldom comes in between subject and verb before the verb. He frequently comes unprepared. Before the verb frequently comes. I always try to do my best. In between subject and verb always comes. But in fifth sentence, you are often changing your profile. There is one verb group, are changing. In such cases, when adverb of frequency comes, there the adverb comes just after the first auxiliary verb. This is are is the auxiliary verb. Okay. After auxiliary verb, what comes? Adverb of frequency comes. They rarely go for an outing. Here one adverb is there, one verb is there, simple present tense sentence, and it is used just before the verb or in between the subject and the verb. Sometimes we use these three kinds of adverbs in a sentence. These three means adverb of manner, adverb of time and adverb of place. What will be its order? Let us see. Concept of MPT. Now come to the point. What is MPT? MPT means adverb of manner, M is adverb of manner, P is adverb of place, T is adverb of time. When there are more than one adverb, that means two adverbs or three adverbs, and the adverbs are manner, adverb of manner, adverb of place and adverb of time, what will be its order? Its order will be adverb of manner, then adverb of place, then adverb of time. Let us see the sentences. I prepared my lesson quickly at my home yesterday. What is the verb here? Prepared. So, ask question to the verb with at first with the WH word how. I prepared my lesson how? Quickly. Quickly is the answer. So, it is adverb of manner. I prepared my lesson where? At my home. Adverb of place. I prepared my lesson when? Yesterday. Okay. So, adverb of time. She is singing sweetly on stage. She is singing how? Sweetly. This is adverb of manner. She is singing where? On stage. Adverb of place. So, in first sentence, there are three adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. If you write the sentence, I prepared my lesson at my home yesterday quickly, that is wrong, because the order of the adverbs is wrong. Okay, she is singing sweetly on stage. If you write she is singing on stage sweetly, also the sentence will be wrong. We should write the adverbs in its order. He went to meet him there on Sunday. He went to meet him where? There. There is adverb of place. When? On Sunday. Okay. At first we should put adverb of place, then adverb of time. That is MPT. The concept is MPT. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. Where there are more than one adverb, we should put as per the order MPT. He is speaking loudly at the meeting now. He is speaking. Speaking is the verb. How? Loudly. Loudly is the adverb of manner. He is speaking where? At the meeting. Adverb of place. When? Now. Adverb of time. Here, concept of adverbs of time only I have represented here. Suppose there is the indication of 2 or 3 times. How we should put those in order? Okay. He was born at 6 o'clock in the evening on Thursday. He was born when? At 6 o'clock. He was born in the evening. He was born on Thursday. That means 3 adverbs of time here. What will be its order? How I have written here, that is the order. So, how we identify the order? At 6 o'clock, we should identify which is the short time that you put first, then little bit longer, that is I put second, third is the third one, longer time. That means what? At 6 o'clock it shows one point of time. So, put here point of time at first. In the evening, a small duration. Then Thursday, what is it? 24 hour. So, short time is 6 o'clock, then the duration, another duration, then the total day. That is the order of the time. Yesterday I went there at 4 o'clock, but tomorrow I will go there at 6 o'clock. In such way also we can write. Here two times put, one is yesterday, another is 4 o'clock. This is one point of time and this is one longer time, one day, 24 hour. Okay, that you can put in the beginning of the sentence. The second, but tomorrow I will go there at 6 o'clock. Also here tomorrow is one day and 6 o'clock is one point of time. Understand? That's it for this one. If you like my videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.